Here we have a problem on intermediate value theorem. Okay, let's go with the information. Check whether intermediate value theorem applies for the given function. If so, find the value of c. Okay, there is a function that is f of x equals to x square 94, f of c equals to 221 on 4 comma 20. Okay, so first thing what we need to do is to use intermediate value theorem for a function. So we have to make sure that the given function is continuous on the closed interval 4 comma 20. So since it's a polynomial function, it's continuous over the closed interval 4 comma 20. Okay, now we have to find the value of f of x at the boundary values of the given interval. That is, we have to find the value of f of 4 and f of 20 as well. Okay, first let me calculate the value of f of x at the left side boundary value in the given interval, that is 4. Then I'm getting f of 4 equals to 4 square negative 4. So 16 negative 4 which becomes 12. Okay, now let me calculate the value of f of x, the boundary value 20, the right side boundary of the given interval. That is f of 20 equals to 20 square. That is, in this expression, I have to plug in x equals to 20. So 20 square negative 4. When I evaluate the 20 square, it's 400 negative 4, which becomes 396. Okay, now I got the values of f of x at the boundary values 4 and 20. Okay, so the value of f of c given over here, that is 221, must be between the two values of f of x we got over here at the boundary values of the given interval. Yes, the value for f of c 221 is between 12 and 396. So we can write there is inequality, that is f of 4 less than f of c less than f of 20. Since the given value of f of c is between the two values of f of x are the boundary values of the given interval, so the intermediate value theorem applies for this given function. Okay, since the intermediate value theorem applies for the function, now we have to find the value of c. Okay, for that, let's check this stuff, that is f of c equals to 221. Okay, already we know that f of x equals to x square 94. So what should I write for f of c? It's very simple. I have to take the same stuff, but instead of x, I have to write c over here. Then for f of c, I'm getting c square negative 4 equals to 221. Okay, now let me add 4 to both sides because my aim is to find the value of c. So this negative 4 positive 4 will cancel out, and I'm getting c square equals to 225. Let me write the equation over here. C square is equal to 225. Okay, now let me take square root on both sides because my aim is to get the value of c. For that, I have to get rid of the square over here. So when I take square root on both sides, this square and square root will cancel out. So whenever I take square root on both sides of an equation, for one of the square roots, I must take positive or negative sign. On the left side, we just have c. On the right side, we have positive or negative, and the value of square root of 225 is 15. Okay, we get two values for c. One is 15 and the other one is negative 15. Okay, in these two values, we just have to consider the value of c, which comes between these two values 4 and 20. So this 15 is the value which comes between these two values 4 and 20. Therefore, the value of c is 15 belonging to the open interval 4 comma 20.